In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Zoom. Whether you're trying to hide a messy room or just want to focus the attention on yourself, blurring your background can be a lifesaver. Let's dive right into it. First, open the Zoom application on your computer. It doesn't matter if you're on a Windows or Mac, the process is pretty much the same. Before joining or starting a meeting, head over to the settings. This is the little gear icon you can typically find on the top right of the Zoom homepage. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself in the settings menu. Look for Backgrounds Filters in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you'll see several backgrounds and filter options appear on the right. Now, these background and filter settings are where the magic happens. If it's your first time doing this, Zoom might ask for permission to download some additional software resources. Go ahead and allow it, as it won't take much time. Once everything is set, locate the option labeled Blur. Clicking on Blur will instantly apply the effect to your video background. Check it out in the small preview window to see how everything looks. Adjust yourself to see that you're not sitting too close or too far from the camera, as placement can affect how well the blur effect works. If you join a meeting and decide midway that you want to blur your background, don't worry. You're not too late. Simply click on the upward arrow next to Start Video or Stop Video on the meeting screen's lower left corner. From there, select Choose Virtual Background. This shortcut takes you directly to the Backgrounds Filter settings where, once again, you can select the Blur option. Now, sometimes you may notice that the blur looks inconsistent or part of your background isn't blurring correctly. This usually happens if lighting in your room is uneven. Try to have a consistent light source aimed at you, and make sure your face is well lit. Combining this with a plain background, if possible, works wonders. And here's a little tip, this blur feature works best when you aren't using an actual green screen, as it's primarily designed to generate depth of field digitally. So if you do have a green screen, it's best to disable it while using the blur effect for optimal results. That's all there is to it. The background blur is a neat little tool that keeps the focus on you while maintaining some privacy. It's simple yet effective. Hopefully, you found this guide insightful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching.